Welcome to the show, everyone. It's the Crypto Lark coming to you from New Zealand, bringing you this May 15th edition of what is happening in crypto. Bitcoin down 0.63% on the 24-hour, resting at $8,671.70. Still down 7.84% on the 7-day. We are all eagerly awaiting that promised consensus conference bump. Anytime now, guys. Ethereum, $725. The market's overall a giant sea of red. There are a few outliers, though. Decred up 14.75%, Polymath up 45%, Fusion 19.4%, and Nulls up 36.4% on the 7-day. First thing I want to share with you guys today, a fantastic article which has been written on the state of cryptocurrency mining. This has been written by the guys over at Obelisk. They wanted to make ASIC miners for SIA. Now, this just goes into so many fascinating details about the cryptocurrency mining market. From all the secret deals that go on, the ASICs that are developed, and the dirty advantages and the dirty deals and the dirty playing and what's going on with Bitmain. And this is a very interesting read. If you want to know more about cryptocurrency mining and all the nonsense and malarkey that goes on in the background, I would highly suggest you come over here and read this. Links down below, as always. China ICO ban proving ineffective because, of course, it is. You ban it, you make it cooler. It's always the case, guys. The black market for ICOs and for cryptocurrencies in general across China is booming. And of course it is, because Chinese investors want to make money. They want to get in on these opportunities, and they're not going to let their government stop them. And unfortunately, for the Chinese government, the internet is a thing. And even though they try so hard to control it, this black market is just booming. We have OTC Bitcoin sales happening down back alleys. We have people doing ICOs for people, helping people invest in ICOs overseas. It's not being stopped, guys, and it won't be stopped, no matter what governments might want for their citizens. UK-based crypto trading platform launches first regulated Ethereum futures. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Of course, we'll see more of this coming for the major cryptocurrencies. This is the first regulated Ethereum future. We're going to see a lot more of them come out in the near future here, guys. Thailand passes crypto capital gains tax law. 15% is now what you'll have to pay on your crypto gains if you live in Thailand. Interesting. We'll see a lot more of those laws coming, as well as governments kind of realize, well, we can't stop it. Let's at least try and make money on it. That's the more practical route for a government to go, without a doubt. Over in Poland, Polish financial watchdog to fund anti-crypto social media campaign. The guys, the financial guys over in Poland are really anti-crypto. Now, you may remember we covered a story a few months ago where they paid a YouTuber to make a video about how he lost all his money with Bitcoin and how it's a big scam and all this stuff. That was caught and called out, but they want to keep doing it, so they're going to throw some more money at social media campaigns to protect Polish citizens from investing in cryptocurrencies. Ay, ay, ay. Gemini announces support for zcash. Very, very cool. We might also see Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash coming to Gemini in the near future, but zcash will be launching on Saturday. Really cool. Nice to see more options available over on Gemini. GoTenna launches a Bitcoin wallet that works without the internet. This is interesting. Now, GoTenna, they are a mesh network of devices. So as long as one of these devices is within a mile of you, you'll be able to network to that device. It will network to the next device until they find one that has the internet connected to it. So this could be really useful in terms of, for example, a disaster situation, so long as everybody has these GoTenna devices, of course. Interesting. I certainly like it. Anything that can provide more utility is a good thing. EOS appoints the Commonwealth Bank executive as their new chief operating officer. Very interesting. Commonwealth Bank is one of the biggest banks in Australia. They, of course, want to get someone with really great financial knowledge and knowledge of the Asia-Pacific markets on board. So it's a pretty good hire for EOS. And, of course, EOS has such a giant war chest at this point. Not surprising, of course, to see them throwing around a bit of money and hiring top people like that. Speaking of top people, the WAN chain president has stepped down. Now, look, there's no inner drama going on here or anything like that. He stepped down because he's working on a secret project to help the WAN chain ecosystem. Now, we just saw a similar move by Lon Wang and Jeff McDonald over at NEM to step down from their roles leading the organization to develop projects to help support the ecosystem. This is a cool move. I wish Dustin all the best in his adventures. Ontology and Neo sign a memorandum of understanding concerning strategy and technology. This is kind of like two friends coming together and signing a piece of paper saying, we really like our friendship and we want to be even better friends. I like it. Stay classy, Ontology and Neo. This is Amber Baldette's new project. In case you don't know who Amber Baldette is, she is the former head of JP Morgan's blockchain department. She left that to do this. It's called Clover. Grow better networks together. Essentially, what this is going to be is something kind of similar to CardStack, for example, where they're trying to make it really easy to develop applications that are going to be using blockchain technology where you don't even necessarily know they're using blockchain technology. Still early stages with this, but something you might want to have a look at if you want some more information about it. A couple of new interesting projects dropping over on ICO Drops. This is NNS. So these will be domain name services on the Neo blockchain ending in .neo, so be the cryptolark.neo, for example. Pretty interesting. And a new one coming out as well called Icon, making blockchain work for everyone. For everyone, guys. Interesting stuff. If you want to go check out those projects, feel free. There'll be links down below, of course. That's all from the Crypto Lark for today. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.